Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is corn. We'll be making cheesy corn fritters and roasted corn and lobster pizza. Joining me is Dr. Jamie Avellini from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Anthony Bonett. Shall we get started?
Okay. I'm going to start off on the pizza. I find that it's easiest always just to cut the ends off. Okay, and you end up with a much cleaner kind of thing to deal with, and you don't end up with as much hair. So when you do peel, it's like you're taking off a good amount of the hair when you're peeling, because some of it's already gone from cutting the root off. Then all you got to do is kind of like wipe your corn down.
That's great. I sometimes avoid corn because of that
reason.
That's
so if you cut the ends off, you end up it's a lot easier, a lot cleaner.
Yeah, that's a great point.
We're going to roast the corn in a pan just to make roasted corn. I'm going to switch over and start doing the fritters, and once the corn's done, you ladies are going to start assembling our pizza.
Sounds good.
Okay, so let's leave that there for a minute.
And like you said, kids do love corn, and it's so sweet and tasty. It has great nutritional value. It has a lot of antioxidants. It's actually one of the oldest grains, and it has a great source of thiamine, which helps with brain and nerve development.
And what age can you introduce corn to children?
You can introduce as early as 4 to 6 months, but they should have teeth to be able to chew it.
Okay.
So we're making our fritters. We just took we had corn. We added 2 eggs. We added some cornmeal. We added some flour. Okay, we're going to put some cream cheese into here. And we have some mozzarella cheese. It gives a nice kind of like cheesiness inside the fritters.
Does it have good properties for your eyes and good properties
Absolutely. It's deemed one of the foods that actually protect your eyesight. So the earlier you introduce it, the better it can protect a child's eyesight.
Oh, wow.
Okay. So this looks pretty good like that. It's a nice stiff kind of batter. And we're going to put some salt in it. So it looks good. You see you're starting to roast your corn up nice, get a little color on it. I'm going to form these into little balls, and we're going to roll them in the Parmesan and the breadcrumb, and then we're going to deep fry them. We're going to pan fry them. How about if I get you to make some balls for me, Doctor?
Sounds good.
You want to make some little balls like that? Okay, and you can put them right there. Then we're going to roll them in the Parmesan and the cheese, okay?
Perfect.
And I'll switch over here. Okay, yeah, you got to watch the corn. It does splatter or will pop, so you got to be careful with corn.
Now, how long should you cook the corn in the pan to roast it?
I think this looks nice like this.
Yeah.
Maybe just do the other side, but like I said, when it does start getting really hot, it will pop.
Okay.
You know, at times. So you got to be careful with it. Yep. I'll cut my corn off the cob for our pizzas, and then the ladies are going to assemble pizzas for me. And whenever you're cutting corn off a cob, I always find it like falls all over the place. It's difficult to deal with. So cut it on a plate, or so you're going to take the pizza, and you're just going to spread some Boursin cheese on it. How we doing, Doctor?
I think we're doing okay.
Okay, good. And once these fritters go in the pan, they don't take long to cook up. So we can turn this one. You can see it's browned already on the bottom.
That is looking great.
Thank you.
Pizza looks good. Let's pop that in the oven whenever.
All right.
And of course, we have one in the oven that's already almost done. So, well, you see they got nice and colored on both sides. Yeah, they look great. Yeah,
They smell delicious.
Let's check on our pizza. We threw our pizza in the oven, right? And we have the one that's already done. So that looks great.
I love the colors with the lobster. That's beautiful. My kids would definitely love these.
Oh my goodness, so would mine.
Okay, they look great. We have a little bit of ranch dressing right there.
All right. I think we're ready to try it.
Let's
Looks
go.
delicious.
Try fritter.
Yep. Wow.
The mozz cheese makes it too. Just have a little bit of mozzarella in there, a little cheese pull.
Yeah,
That
it's great.
is delicious.
That's awesome. I'm gonna eat more.
No double dipping.
Uh-oh. We'll just keep it here.
Should we try this?
Yeah.
So good.
Delicious.
It must be good. We can't talk.
The lobster and the corn combination is really
It's
good.
really
And
delicious.
the Boursin cheese. It's
Yeah.
great.